Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kate Sonia. Today I want to show you how I managed to make my own box braids. Yes, here I am showing you all the items that I will be needing, or the tools that I will be needing to make this hairstyle. I am using Abuja long braid, color number 1 by Darling. Yeah, the hair is by Darling. It's called Abuja. Yeah, I like Abuja because, okay, for me, I feel it's soft in a way. Yeah, I just like Abuja. Okay, so here, I'm preparing my hair. Yeah, so that I can be able to maneuver it easily. Yeah, so here I'll be showing you how I do my box braids. I find it easy. Yeah, I don't need to feed in. Yeah, so keep watching, get to learn. Yeah, I hope you'll also be able to do this hairstyle by your own. You can also comment down there, tell me how you do yours, or what maybe I can improve on. Yes, but I'm so excited that I've been able to do my own hair. Okay, I have been doing my own hair, but I don't know, just doing this made me so excited. Yeah, so if it's your first time to be here, please remember to subscribe. Join this wellness family. Yeah, here I talk about wellness, I talk about fitness, I talk about hair care. Yeah, and we'll be able to learn much together. Yeah, also, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Yeah, don't forget. Yeah, and also share so that other people can be able to learn the same thing. And I'll be very happy. I'll be very happy if you join me here. Yeah, so I hope you are able to see what I'm doing. And what I did here, I took my hair, the Abuja braid, then I'm just, okay, I don't know how to put it, but I don't know, maybe you can learn better by just watching. Let me stop the talking and you watch and see how I'm revolving around it. Yeah, I think it's easy. It's self-explanatory in a way. Yeah, check with my next, and if you need to rewind, yeah, until you get it right, please do so. That's how we get to learn. Then practice makes perfect. You might not be able to do it today, but tomorrow you try and you get it right. So don't you give up. Yeah. Yeah, and maybe something else that I can add. You see, before I started doing this hairstyle, I had already moisturized my hair very well. Yeah. I really blow dry my hair, and I don't know, I really do it, and I don't even remember the last time I did it. What I do, I ensure that my hair is well moisturized. You can see when I was showing you the tools that I am to use in this video, I showed you a moisturizer. Maybe I didn't mention it, but yeah, there was a moisturizer if you check it. So I had used that moisturizer together with other oils to moisturize my scalp and my hair. So here what I'm using is a comb. I'm also using a comb, yeah, to comb the ends so that they can be straightened out, and so that whenever I am braiding, I'm able to fix them in and not to show on the braid. In this particular one, the one that I'm doing, I realized there was some hair that showed somewhere. Yeah, and my goal with this hairstyle was to really hide the hair, not to be visible. Yeah, every time if you blow dry your hair, it will be easy, because it will be easy to hide the hair. But if you are the kind that doesn't blow dry like me, you will need to moisturize your hair very well. Yeah, you can also go in with a little bit of gel to make the hair very, very soft, yeah, and easy to maneuver, yeah, and able to hide it. But in this video, I didn't use gel. I just used the normal moisturizer. Yeah, what I use. So I hope you're learning. I hope you're learning. Okay. Yeah. I don't know. I think I should stop talking and just let you watch in peace. Please don't forget to like this video. Yeah, if you get to like it, please give it a thumbs up. Yes. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new to this channel. And if you have been here with me, yeah, feel much welcome. Yeah, feel much welcome. And I do not take it for granted. Yeah. wow, I feel so happy. I'm done with this. Yeah, it took me a while. Yeah, but I will improve on speed, I know. But it was worth it. It was worth it, and I feel so proud. I'm here. Yeah, this will last me for like from 2 weeks to 3 weeks. Yeah. Okay, I'm the kind who doesn't keep my hair too long, so I know 2 weeks will be good. 2 to 3 weeks. Yeah. So try this style. Tell me how it goes with you. Oh yes, now you can style your braids whichever way. Yeah. Again, I'm not showing in this video, but you can dip the ends into boiled water so that your ends can be sealed and for the hair to be straight. The tips of the braids to be straight somehow, yeah. And also you can use your scissors to remove the extra hairs that are not needed, yeah, just to make your braids clean. Yeah, spray your braids and you'll be good to go. I love my hair. Oh, I love it. I love how it has come out. So remember, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification button to be notified every time I upload a new video. Give this video a thumbs up, yeah, and also comment down there and don't forget to share it. Bye.